Dear parents, thank you for using KooBits. To support your children usage at home, there are some steps to start with. First, KooBits School is different from KooBits Individual. You don't have to purchase anything like this from the KooBits directly, since the school has bought it for you. Your child will get the login ID and password from the school. Now, after you get the login ID and password, you'll have to log through a browser. Any kind of browser will do, such as Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Internet Explorer. In this example, I'm using Google Chrome. After you log through the browser, after you open the browser, please type problemsums.koobits.com in the address section. You'll see this kind of appearance on your screen. Type your child's login ID and password. And log in. Now you're logged in. Now, the second thing that you need to do is to remind your child to change their password. How? You go to the top right of the screen, there's a picture of a donkey. Choose change password. Write down the old password and the new password and then change. Then you're good to go. Make sure the children do it with you, parents, because later on you can be updated on their new password and you can check their work anytime without even their present. Changing password is very important. It will avoid us from hacking attempt from other user. Next thing that is also important is to register your email, parents' email, in a parents register. This is how you do it. You go to the same donkey picture and then choose parent register. Write down the name of the father, mother, or other family members, and the email address. And then you can click save. Registering your email will help you to get informed on your child's homework or tests through KooBits. Lastly, you can also assign homework through KooBits. As a parent, just click the assignment, parent's assignment, create new assignment, and choose which part that you want to use, the quick creation or custom creation. I think that's all. Thanks for watching and enjoy KooBits.